This website just made me $5,000, and I built it in 17 minutes without writing a single line of code. Look at this cup. It's not a video. It's not CSS animation. It's 30 individual frames locked to my scroll position, creating this hypnotic 3D rotation effect that makes visitors stop and buy. Most designers spend weeks on this. We're doing it today with ChatGPT, NanoBanana Pro, Google Flow, and a secret weapon called AntiGravity that turns video into scroll-controlled magic. This isn't just a tutorial. This is the new standard. Stay until the end. I show the exact prompt engineering that separates amateur sites from five-figure portfolios. Let's build. Before pixels, before prompts, we start with psychology. Most designers open Midjourney and type premium coffee cup aesthetic. That's why they charge $50. I open ChatGPT. Not for images, for strategy. I'm asking it to think like a conversion specialist. Give me an image generation prompt for a takeaway coffee cup that fills 80% of a 16:9 frame, craft paper, embossed branding, plain warm background. But here's the key. Explain the psychology of why 80% framing converts better than wide shots. See that? I'm not asking for a picture. I'm asking for a sales weapon. ChatGPT returns this. Look at the detail. Handcrafted ceramic texture, embossed sleeve, creating tactile desire, negative space for headline placement. This is the difference between pretty websites and profitable ones. We don't want nice. We want I need this in my hands, right now. Copy this prompt. We execute. NanoBanana Pro, Google's hidden weapon. I paste the engineered prompt, verbatim. No improvisation, 16:9, aspect ratio locked, quality maxed. Now, here's where patience pays. Gemini gives you one shot. One. Not 4 variations to scroll through, one perfect output. If it's wrong, you regenerate. But when the prompt is engineered, look at that, the foundry. Embossed sleeve, catching light, condensation on the black lid, freshness signaling, steam rising exactly where ChatGPT predicted. This isn't luck, this is systems. But a static image is $2,000 work. We need $5,000 motion. Scene 3, static images tell, motion sells. But here's what most get wrong. They animate the cup bouncing or sliding. That's gimmick. We want presence. I take this exact image back to ChatGPT. I say, see this cup? Provide me a video generation prompt for Google Flow. Elliptical camera rotation, 360 degrees, 4 seconds. Seamless loop, no bounce, no drop, just elegant orbit. Why elliptical? Because circular rotation is robotic. Elliptical adds subtle elevation change, human imperfection, premium feel. I copy ChatGPT's output. Tab to Flow, paste, upload the image's first frame, generate. While this processes, let me show you the secret weapon that makes this scrollable. Flow gives us video, but AntiGravity, Google's experimental web builder, needs frames, individual images. This is where the magic happens. EZgif, free tool. Upload the video, split to frames. WebP, format for quality without the bloat, 30 frames. 4 seconds of video becomes 30 still images, frame 1, frame 2, frame 3, each one a millisecond of that rotation. Download the zip, extract. Look at this sequence. If I scroll through them fast, you see the rotation. But we're not playing them fast. We're playing them based on scroll position. This is the hack. This is how we get $5,000 motion without code. We architect the beast. AntiGravity, not a page builder, an AI orchestration layer. I'm using 3 different AI models simultaneously. This is the workflow that agencies charge $10,000 for. Planning mode, Opus, Anthropic's deepest thinker. I don't ask it to make a coffee website. I give it architecture. Plan, component hierarchy. Hero with scroll-controlled frame sequence. Offerings grid with hover states. About section split layout. Consider negative space. Conversion psychology. Mobile breakpoints. Opus returns the sitemap, not just pages. Logic, scroll triggers, component nesting. While Opus thinks architecture, I prompt Gemini for the menu images. Espresso, latte, cold brew, pour over, all matching the warm tonal palette of our hero cup. Consistency is luxury. Now Sonnet, AntiGravity's design mode, takes Opus's architecture and my assets and assembles. Watch this speed build. Hero section, import the 30 frames from EZgif, set container to full viewport height, offering section, grid layout, 4 columns desktop, 2 tablet, 1 mobile, images from Gemini drop in, pricing typography, enter for readability, Playfair for luxury, about section, split layout, text left, Ambience, image right, contact form, simple fields, dark mode, contrast for authority, footer, logo. But here's what makes it $5,000. Not the look. The interaction, scroll trigger, 0% scroll position equals frame 1. 100% equals frame 30. Linear interpolation. No easing. Easing would make it feel like a video game. We want mechanical precision. And watch. Look at that cup. Frame 1, frame 15, frame 30, seamless. I'm not playing a video. I'm scrubbing through time with my scroll wheel. This is physical. It has weight. When I scroll fast, it spins fast. When I stop, it stops. The user controls the tempo. That's premium. That's why clients pay $5,000. Offerings section slides up. Cards fade in with stagger. About section, parallax. Every pixel responding to intent, not decoration, interaction. The scroll binding. This is where we separate designers from developers and make them the same person. Export, static files, HTML, CSS, JS, optimized, no bloated WordPress, no plugin updates, just raw performance. Look at this load time. Frame sequence adapts, cup scales down. Rotation, still smooth. This isn't desktop-only fluff. This is professional. Side by side. Agency template for $5,000, our build for 17 minutes. Which looks more expensive? Exactly. The tools are here. The workflow is here. The only variable now is you. If this hit different, subscribe. I drop builds like this weekly. Comment cup if you want the exact ChatGPT prompts I used. This is premium content. Push it.